Schedule appointments, check in drivers, and track moves with Agility Dock Management. Let's schedule. Go to Wisys, Dock Management, and click New. Set your date and assign your carrier. Use the status menu to track shipment lifecycle, from scheduled, arrived, and loading to done or no-show. Assign an open dock door and hit OK. Watch the appointment instantly populate live on your schedule grid. If you need a closer look, review all the shipping data and order details in the bottom panel. Check in arrivals and update dock door status right from the bay. Enjoy simple, real-time status updates that connect your warehouse and your team right from any handheld device. Improve dock throughput and on-time performance by giving your team real-time visibility into what's arriving, what's leaving, and where delays are happening. Visit wisys.com/agilitydockmanagement for more details.